Magandang araw. Welcome to Oman. Good morning at bago ang lahat, gusto kong batiin ka Pastor Alan ng isang maligayang kaarawan. Yes. And welcome to Muscat. Ayan. This is Muscat, Pastor Alan. Ayan. Ang church ko ay malapit sa dagat. Ayan. So, ang aking wish at prayer para sa iyo, Pastor Alan, lalo na't ikaw ay nasa kagandahang edad na. Okay. Kagandahang edad na. Ay yung, basahin mo yung 3 John 2. Alagay doon, I wish. I wish above all that thou mayest prosper and be in health. Sabi doon, even thy soul prospereth. Sa ating edad, Pastor, ang aking dalangin sa iyo ay ingatan mo ang iyong kalusugan para magamit pa tayo ng mas mahaba ng Panginoon. Maglakad-lakad katulad nito. Sarap maglakad dito, Pastor Alan. Pasyal kayo dito sa Oman. Sister Webet, look at this place. Ayan, sa mga hindi pa nakakarating ng Muscat, ito po ang itsura ng Oman. Ang church po ay naandun lang sa may Bandarun. Yan, thank you again and happy birthday, Pastor Alan. God bless. Be always in good health. Huwag mong pupuyat. Diet din, paminsan-minsan. Ating lang, God bless.
Gusto kayo dyan?
Hello, Brother Alan. Kumusta? It's been a long time. The last time we had our fellowship nung umalis kami dyan, January 2002. And now, you are 60 years old now. That's amazing. At kami rin, tumatanda na rin. 72 na ako. At si Vicky, 74. Going to 75. So,
Tumatanda na.
lahat tayo, tumatanda na. Sana dumating ang Panginoon, nandito pa tayo, kaya kunin na tayo. So, anyhow, happy birthday. We miss you.
Happy birthday, Brother Alan. We miss you all in Saudi Arabia. Kamusta sa lahat? At sana palagi kayong ligtas sa anumang mga sita-sita dyan. Wala akong ibang masabi kung hindi ang maging masaya at masigla ka sa pag-celebrate mo ng 60th happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Brother Alan, and maraming salamat sa Panginoon for giving you a milestone in your life, 60 and younger, and maraming salamat sa Panginoon for involving us into the ministry dyan sa Riyadh, and maraming salamat sa Panginoon for giving you another year in your life, hindi lang sa age mo, but of course sa time na i-google mo dyan sa ministry dyan sa Riyadh.
Okay, Alan, thank you for everything, lalo na nung before when I was still there sa Riyadh. You have a way of taking care of people and encouraging us in personal life and in the walk with the Lord at the same time. At saka yung, even though we're far away, na dito na kami, nandun pa rin kayo, pero the way you keep in touch, I appreciate na it's like as if hindi tayo magkalayo. You always try to message me, and as if it's like we're in the same place, and parang there's no distance between us. So we appreciate you. We appreciate the life that you have given to the Lord in ministry, how you have let Him use you and your family, si Ate Wewet, and we're thankful for how He's gonna use you in the in the rest of the years to come.
Yep.
We pray that we hope and pray na maging palagi maayos yung health mo, and that
Yes.
He would give you wisdom in all things, in whichever path that He may lead you in the future. So, surprise! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy 60th! And God bless.
God bless.
Whoop! Wait lang. Ako lang to. Brother Rex po. Ako po ay bumabati po sa inyo, Pastor Alan. Maligayang kaarawan po sa inyo. Happy birthday po, Pastor. Salamat na marami sa mga salita ng Panginoon na patuloy niyo pong isinishare sa amin. Salamat din po sa payo niyo sa akin. Muli, Pastor, happy birthday po. Muli, salamat.
Happy birthday, Tito Alan.
Happy birthday, Kuya Alan. Good health to you and your family. And blessings to you also. We hope to see you soon. Visit us here. Saxon says happy birthday too. Bye. We love you.